Namaste dosto. Today's topic is air preheater performance. As we know that air preheater is one of the boiler accessories which increases the boiler efficiency by recovering heat from flue gas. An unit with air preheater gives 10% more boiler efficiency when compared to an identical unit without air preheater. 20 degrees centigrade temperature increase in secondary air and primary air increases boiler efficiency by 1%. Role of air heaters in thermal power plant. To achieve maximum boiler efficiency, maximum possible useful heat must be removed from the gas before it leaves the air preheater. Increases secondary air temperature before entering furnace and enable efficient coal combustion. It increases primary air temperature before entering furnace and enable efficient pulverization process by optimizing pulverized output temperature. Reason for degradation of air preheater performance. Partly ingress of air in flue gas at air heater entry due to leakage, causing lowering the flue gas temperature and thereby inefficient heat transfer. It increases the required fan power and can eat away the fan margin. Choking of air heater basket resulting high dP across air heater, low heat transfer and high exit temperature. Erosion, corrosion and falling and air preheater fire. The performance indicators. There are three performance indicators which makes us easy to understand that how much efficiently is air preheater performing. Those are air leakage percentage, gas side efficiency percentage and X ratio. Data required to calculate those performance indicators are percentage of oxygen and carbon dioxide in flue gas at air preheater inlet and at outlet, temperature of air entering air heater, temperature of air leaving air heater and differential pressure across air preheater on air and gas side. Basically, air preheater leakage is of two types, direct leakage and entrapped leakage. Typically, air heater starts with a baseline leakage of 6 to 10% after an overhaul. As the rotor passes from the air side to the gas side and from the gas side to the air side, a certain quantity of air is always contained in the rotor. It is independent of operation and maintenance condition of the air preheater. And direct leakage is the quantity of air that passes into the gas stream between the seals and sealing surface as a result of the static pressure differential between the air and gas streams. And it is dependent on operation and maintenance condition of air preheater. So we should focus on the various kind of direct leakages which have direct impact on air preheater performance. Hot end radial, cold end radial, circumferential and axial and center post seal. These are various kind of air preheater leakage. Maximum leakage occurs due to hot end radial. Total direct leakage percentage is 87.01 and entrapped leakage is 12.99%. Here in the image we can see various leakage paths through the air preheater. Hot end radial seal leakage, cold end radial seal leakage, circumferential bypass seal leakage into the warm air flow and into the cold gas flow. Yellow line is the peripheral axial seal leakage into the gas path. Leakage through circumferential seals has a major effect on heat transfer and heat rate. Air preheater leakage percentage equal to percentage of carbon dioxide in gas entering air heater minus percentage of carbon dioxide in gas leaving air heater into 0.9 into 100 divided by percentage of carbon dioxide in gas leaving air heater equal to percentage of oxygen in gas leaving air heater minus percentage of oxygen in gas entering air heater into 0.9 into 100 divided by 21 minus oxygen at outlet. But carbon dioxide measurement is preferred due to high absolute values because in this case any measurement errors on leakage calculation is small. Next is gas side efficiency. Gas side efficiency equal to temperature drop across the air heater corrected for no leakage divided by temperature head equal to T gas in minus T gas out at no leakage divided by T gas in minus T air in. T gas out no leakage equal to the temperature at which the gas would have left the air heater if there were no air heater leakage. Now T gas out no leakage equal to air preheater leakage percentage into CPA into T gas out minus T air in divided by CPG into 100 plus T gas out, where CPA equal to specific heat of air and CPG equal to specific heat of gas. Next is X ratio. X ratio equal to heat capacity of air passing through the air heater divided by heat capacity of flue gas passing through the air heater equal to gas side efficiency divided by air side efficiency.